So in order to replace the wash pump, I always like to remove the front panel and side panels, because we have to get onto the bottom of the machine to replace the wash pump. So to proceed from there, we will open up the door, and I'd like to a tool of my choice is the Vera Tool Check Plus. I've owned this for many years, and it's a beautiful set if you're ever working on any Bosch equipment. So the screwdriver over here that we're going to be using is a T20 screwdriver, and we have 6 screws over here that will allow us to remove the front panel. So we proceed by removing the 6 screws over here on the dishwasher. Bosch has given it a lot of thought in design, so the front panel doesn't fall off on you when you remove the screws. There's actually 2 retaining brackets up there at the back which actually hold it whilst you're removing the panel, which is always a bonus. So there are 6 stainless steel screws, and they're used for retaining the front panel. I'd always put them in the corner. There. So close the door, and the way you attack this door panel is through the edges over here, 2 edges. Spread them out. And the front panel comes off. So that's the first step. So I'll just put that panel in the corner up there. So these are the retaining brackets that hold your panel together on either side. So the next step is that depending on the model of the Bosch dishwasher, you may have either 2 screws or 4 screws, one on top, one at the bottom. In this particular model, we have 2 screws. So we're going to remove this T20 screw over here. One, and you'd notice that this particular screw is a mild steel screw compared to the others, which are a stainless screw, which is quite different. That's countersunk, that's a pan head. It's not good. Okay, one more over here. Close the door, and I'd like to come at the back just to show you the brackets that are retaining this. So on either side of this dishwasher, I'll just cut that, put that in the bucket, ready to go. So these over here retain the panel on the top, and there's a clip at the bottom as well. So what we do is spread that out and spread it at the bottom as well, and that releases it at the back. Now we come around and lift. There is a lifting point over here, so you lift the panel essentially, and the entire panel comes apart. So that's how easy it is to remove the panel on Bosch